Avocados contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart functioning. Despite its savory flavor, avocado is technically a berry. Like strawberries, it belongs to the berry family along with its other surprising family members like bananas and watermelons. These fruits are grown in different regions worldwide, meaning that we can see them throughout the year. This makes them the perfect ingredient for all our savory dishes. Hello, wellness warrior. I'm Funkside, your dedicated companion and guide towards a healthier, more vibrant you. It's so good to have you here on this transformative journey where I've been sharing actionable tips and insightful wisdom about health and wellness to enrich your life and make it more wholesome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back, warriors. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fabulous. I hope you're really doing great. How many avocados have you had in one sitting? Like, for one portion? Please let me know in the comment section. So let me tell you this little story. One time I had four. Yes, I'm not proud to admit, but I have to be honest with you guys. I had four. My defense, it wasn't as big as this one. It's those medium sized ones, like three-quarter of this one. So I had four. Let me explain. I didn't plan to have four. So I started making this guac and I had, I was supposed to, have people come over. So one thing led to another. They couldn't make it. So I made the guac. I dish it into three different bowls. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have mine, and then whenever they can pick up theirs, they should, right? Let me tell you guys, this guac was so good. Let's just say that the rest is history. Let's just, don't let me confess right here. So that was what happened. So yes, that was how I finished four whole avocados in one day. Oh, thinking about it, I feel terrible. But it's okay. Let's hop right into number five, where we're going to learn all about the nutrient profile and the digestive health benefits of avocados. Number five, the nutrient profile and digestive health benefits of avocados. Avocados are rich in a variety of essential nutrients, including vitamins C, K, E, and B vitamins, minerals like potassium, magnesium, and dietary fiber. Avocados are excellent source of dietary fiber with about 14 grams per medium-sized fruit. Fiber promotes regular bowel movement, preventing constipation and supporting a healthy digestive system. Avocado's combination of healthy fats and fiber helps promote a feeling of fullness and satiety. These aid in weight management by reducing the likelihood of overeating and snacking between meals. Avocados contain natural digestive enzymes that aid in the breakdown of food, reducing digestive comfort. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds in avocados also help soothe inflammation in the digestive tract, benefiting individuals with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or gastritis. The fiber in avocados acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome supports digestive and overall health and wellness. Avocados are super healthy with healthy and nourishing fats. But it is important to understand that as nutrients dense as they are also calorie dense. Listen, I'm not a fan of counting calories, but at the same time, we have to ensure that we keep track of what we're putting in our body because we don't want to put too much stress on our digestive system. For instance, the other day when I had four avocados in a day, I just made sure that next day my breakfast was, I think, kale smoothie, and for lunch stroke dinner, I had a large salad. All we have to do is intuitively make sure that we create balance to avoid, you know, the unwanted bloating and other things because too much of a good thing can also be very, very bad for us. Even though the things are good, too much of them can be bad for us. While we come back to yab, 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 like I like to do, let us hop on to number 4 to learn all about the skin and hair health benefits of avocados.
Number 4, the skin and hair health benefits of avocados. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These act as a natural moisturizer for the skin and hair and helps with hydration. Avocados contain vitamins B5 and B6, which prevent hair loss and maintain hair thickness. When applied to scalp, avocados improve blood circulation, stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. Avocado contains vitamins E and C, which are antioxidants that combat free radicals, helping to protect the skin from premature aging and damage caused by UV rays and pollution. Avocado's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe scalp irritation and reduce dandruff. Biotin and vitamin E found in avocados support overall hair strength and resilience. Avocados can be used in DIY, do-it-yourself scrubs due to its creamy texture and natural exfoliating properties, removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter, more radiant complexion. The vitamin C in avocados is essential for collagen production, promoting skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
Avocado oil is extremely nourishing, and I just love the fact that you can use them both internally and externally. Avocado oil is my number one go-to cooking oil. Number two is extra virgin olive oil. I love avocado oil because it has a very high smoke point for about 370 to 480 Fahrenheit and 190 to 270 Celsius. So because of that, avocado oil is probably the only healthy oil you should be using to fry. I'm not saying you should be frying your food, but sometimes when you feel like frying something, maybe once a year, okay, maybe twice a year, you can use avocado oil. While we come back to talk more about the nourishing benefits of avocado oil, let us hop on to number 3 to learn about the antioxidant benefits and the high health benefits.
Number 3, the antioxidant and eye health benefits of avocados. Avocados are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants protect the eyes from oxidative stress caused by harmful free radicals. Oxidative stress is a contributing factor to age-related eye conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts. The lutein and zeaxanthin present in avocados also act as natural filters for harmful high-energy blue light. They protect the retina from damage caused by prolonged exposure to digital screens and light. The antioxidants in avocados also stimulate the overall eye health by maintaining the integrity of the eye's cells and tissues. This helps preserve good vision and prevent conditions that can lead to vision loss. The antioxidants also slow down age-related vision decline by maintaining the health and function of the retina, which is essential for clear vision.
To whom much is given, much is expected. I've made a confession to you guys, so I'm expecting your confession in the comment section as well. Also, if you have any other amazing recipes for avocados, please share. I love guac, but I also love avocado in my salads. But I'm sure you guys probably have amazing ingredients to mix with avocado to make them even more incredible. So if you have any special recipe, please share. A few years ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, there was this viral video about avocado hair mask. Oh my God. Everybody and their grandmama were just cutting up avocado and slamming it up their hair. And I just shook my head. Because yes, avocados are nourishing. They have all these amazing benefits. But guess what? The protein molecules in avocados are honestly too large to penetrate your scalp. So you're just wasting your guacamole. So just use the avocado oil that can penetrate your scalp instead of wasting my guacamole. While we are up to number 2, let us check out the bone health benefits of avocados.
Number 2, the bone health benefits of avocados. Avocado is a good source of vitamin K, specifically vitamin K1. Vitamin K1 is essential for bone health by helping in the modification of osteocalcin, a protein that is crucial for bone mineralization. The healthy fats in avocados enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals, including calcium and vitamin D, which are critical for bone health. Avocado is rich in potassium, which plays a role in maintaining bone mineral density. Adequate potassium intake helps reduce the loss of calcium through urine, preserving the body's calcium storage. Avocado's vitamin C content is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides a structural framework for bones, joints, and connective tissues. Adequate collagen is crucial for maintaining bone strength and flexibility. Maintaining strong bones throughout life is key to preventing osteoporosis. The nutrient dense profile of avocados helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones. Avocado's nutrient profile also contributes to better bone quality, reducing the risk of fractures and improving the body's ability to heal in case of an injury.
Welcome back, warriors. I hope this information has been valuable to you. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of my insightful videos in the future. Have you guys tried any avocado inspired smoothie? Smoothie mixed with avocado before? Oh my God. The creaminess is just amazing. I don't know if you've tried it. If you haven't, please go try it. Well, it depends on what you're trying it with. You can just mix it with. I don't think I've ever tried it with pineapple. Oh, just the thought of it is somehow because I don't know. But I usually do you put avocados in my smoothies to hide the taste of something else. For instance, kale. Okay, kale is a superfood. It's good for you. It's an antioxidant. It has a lot of benefits. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I do not care for the taste unless but over the years I've figured out a way to mix it and make it tasteful, tasty. So that's what I do. I love my kale and avocado smoothie. When you try your avocado smoothie, come back to say thank you because I know you're gonna love it. Let's get on to number one to learn all about the heart health benefits of avocados.
Number 1. The heart health benefits of avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats like oleic acid. These healthy fats help reduce levels of bad LDL cholesterol in the blood, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. The potassium content in avocados help regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effect of sodium and promoting relaxation of blood vessels. This lowers the risk of hypertension, high blood pressure. Chronic inflammation is linked to heart diseases. Avocado's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation and its detrimental effect on the cardiovascular system. Avocado's fiber and healthy fats help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a significant risk factor for heart disease. Avocado consumption has been associated with a lower risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, including obesity, high blood pressure, abnormal lipid profile. The folate, vitamin B9, in avocados support the production of nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can reduce the risk of blood clots and heart attacks.
Avocados are superfoods for a reason, and I'm glad you and I were able to find out today. My time with you has been amazing. I trust that your time too is well spent. Do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel as I'll be coming back with more amazing videos about health and wellness that would enrich your life. Until next time, thanks so much for watching and stay blessed. Mwah.